So hello namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Ritika and today in this video we'll be doing a project overview of VTP Wallet Hinjewadi, which is located near Hinjewadi Phase 1, Hinjewadi, Pune, and developed by VTP Realty. So in this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before talking about details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike if you're just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. And now let's talk about the project overview of the project VTP Wallet. So VTP Wallet will be constructed on 3.5 acres of land parcel consisting of 3 towers. Each tower will be having ground plus 4 podium plus 30 floors with 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3 BHK simplex and 4 BHK duplex. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के सराउंडिंग और कनेक्टिविटी की। तो जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं मैं एक्चुअल लोकेशन पे खड़ी हूँ ऑफ द सेल्स ऑफिस। मेरे बैक हैंड साइड में रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस और मेरे इन फ्रंट जो रोड जा रही है, अगर आप इसको स्ट्रेटली फॉलो करके जाते हैं तो आपको डायरेक्टली मिल जाता है इनका लैंड पार्सल। एंड कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर हिंजेवाड़ी IT पार्क, हिंजेवाड़ी फेज 1, हिंजेवाड़ी पुणे। और अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करते हैं, इन्फोसिस सर्कल विद इन 1.1 किलोमीटर and DMart within 2.6 km. So you can also connect Mumbai-Bangalore highway within 3.8 km. And now coming to the amenities part of the project, VTP Wallet has 35 plus luxurious amenities like clubhouse, gym, swimming pool, kids play area, senior setup area along with the indoor party hall and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, VTP Wallet has 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3 BHK simplex and 4 BHK duplex premium residences, and 2 BHK is starting from 616 to 782 square feet and 3 BHK is starting from 870 to 968 square feet and 3 BHK simplex is starting from 1240 to 1732 square feet and 4 BHK duplex is starting from 1610 to 1938 square feet carpet area. And now let's talk about the booking process of the project. Project booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain you the complete project along with the 3D model and will share the pricing and payment schedules along with the location tour of the project. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the project overview of VTP Wallet Hinjewadi, which is located near हिंजेवाड़ी फेज 1, हिंजेवाड़ी पुणे एंड डेवलप्ड बाय VTP Realty. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो डू लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, एंड फॉर मोर सच वीडियोस क्लिक ऑन द गिवन बिलो लिंक एंड डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.